Well, Joe's here. He's going to help us get this roof patched. We've had a temporary patch, and now we're going to get a good solid patch. Good to see you, Joe.
Thanks, Mark. No?
No, but it is kind of fun to do. What are we doing with this? We're going up?
Yeah. I was going to extend it.
The whole thing, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Those guys don't just have scaffolding laying around.
That's what I thought. I better get some.
You can see up there.
Sticking so bad.
Yeah. You can see up there, there's two holes. One to the right, where his hammer is, and one to the left where that crowbar is. Right through the roof. All of that was because that chicken house got lifted through the air, over the top of the fence, and all the way onto our roof and popped holes in it. That's some power. So is it that you're having to make a brace that'll go in there in order to attach that piece to it? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I'm just going to put these on the sides of the rafters, and then that'll allow me not to cut half on the rafters and have that
Gotcha.
New wood over half on the edge of a 2x4, the old wood over half. This will just give me a full width 2x4.
Perfect. Okay. Okay, I'm up here with Joe. I'm not going to pretend like I've done the work because I have not. Handing him shingles does not count. He has single-handedly patched our roof and done a very good job. Where are you getting a sunburn, Joe?
I think so. Hopefully this hat looks good for me.
Yeah, I think yours actually did better than mine did. I don't know why. I really get burned. I'm not. Man, my face is really red, and I used sunscreen twice today. Yeah. Yeah, this is high. This scaffolding is very high. Nope. All right, I'm gonna get down. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate your time.
Thanks for your patience.
Oh, not a problem. All right. Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
Alrighty. And thanks
Drive
for the
safe.
food.
Drive safe.
All right.
All right. Bye.